Mao ni ang mga lata nga.
Hello YouTube friends! Good morning! My name is Marikay and today I will be showing you our cultured black soldier fly. If you are wondering what is this, these are the larvae of the black soldier fly. The black soldier fly is very useful to us. We use this to feed the chicken and also this give us a great source of protein for our chicken. How about you? Do you have any idea what's the use of the soldier fly? We culture the black soldier fly to breed the wild fly so that the wild fly has a shorter lifespan. We feed them the rotten vegetables and it will give us a very nice compost so that we can put it in our garden. If you are interested in this video, you can leave your comments in the comment section so that I can answer your question. Thank you so much and have a good day!